Alrighty, here we go. Ebelvin, personal box, museum football. Yeah, second hockey's full. We're about to crack that right after this. This is Ebelvin. Did a black first, now he's doing a museum. Come on, birthday mojo. This stuff is so nice. He hit one of the double patch auto boxes, so he got a Stephen Taylor Onyx rookie patch auto 3-color and a Kenny Stills rookie patch auto 3-color, same box, plus a Joe Flacco jumbo with a fatty swatch. Who is that? Yeah, the Case Keenum base autograph as well. All right, we're off. Bo Jackson, Bo. Phillip Rivers, Monty Ball rookie, Joe Flacco, and which way is it going to go? Number to 55, Demaryius Thomas, a dual jersey auto. So nice looking, man. Demaryius Thomas dual jersey auto. This one's fat as well, I think. Yep, another fatty. Rookie of Ryan Nassib. Kurt Warner. Rookie of Jonathan Franklin. No, that's not the Pro Bowl one, I don't think. Oh, actually, yes it is. Yep, Pro Bowl signature swatches. You're correct. Yep. Man, some of these are so hard. Is that RG? Yeah. RG3. Canvas. He said it is. And you got the patch triple jersey, Monty Ball. Rookie patch triple jersey, Monty Ball. All right, here's a thin one. Christian Michael, blue. Those are numbered to 99. Rookie blue to 99. Tyler Eifert, rookie. Alfred Morris, Alden Smith, and flip. Nick Foles, jumbo jersey to 75 with like tearing on it. I like when it has stuff like that on it. And what do I have here? What are we gonna have here? Jason Pierre-Paul, Doug Martin, Cordero Patterson rookie, Brett Favre, and Matt Stafford, base auto to 130 on card. That's beautiful. Matt Stafford autograph. Gorgeous. So, Ebelvin, there you have it, sir.